Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import a custom font to InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have prepared a font you want to import to the InShot. And here I have downloaded font from this website. I recommend you to visit this website if you want to download a free font. Here you'll get a lot of free fonts you can download for your editing on the InShot. Okay, and after you have prepared your font, you can go to the InShot application on your mobile phone and start to create new project. I'm going to select video and then select new, and then here I'm just going to add blank clip to my project. Okay, and to import custom font, we need to add text first to our project. We can go to the text menu and then select text, and for example, I'm just going to type in custom font like this, and then go to the text menu. And if you want to import custom font, you can click on this option. Okay, and this is the font I have just downloaded from the internet guys. I'm going to choose this font, and as you can see guys that the font has been imported to my InShot project, and the font is applied to this text as well. Okay, this is the result, and I'm going to show you how we can get free fonts from the InShot guys. I'm going to go to the text menu again. Oops, sorry. Go to the text, and then you are going to click on the A icon and select this option, and here you'll be able to get a lot of fonts from the InShot for free. I'm going to change the language. Okay, you will be able to choose the language that you want, and I'm just going to use the English. Okay, and you can choose the font according to its category. I'm just going to select the handwriting category, and I'm going to select this one, creepy notes, and we have to click on unlock, select the free unlock, and wait for a moment until the font is downloaded. Make sure you have good internet connection to download the font for free. Okay, now the font has been downloaded, and I'm going to click on use. And as you can see guys that this font has been added to my InShot project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import font to InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.